Hello students and welcome back. So as you have seen that in the very last video we have seen part 1 of a story that is a play. ठीक है? So we have seen and we have understood what exactly that particular blame was given to whom or who is going to be get hanged. We were coming to know at the very end point, but this point will be discussed today in the very part 2 of this play. Okay? And as you have seen that in the last video also, we have completed half of our English workshop that is present on your page number 59. So here what you will do is, till question number 6 we have completed that we have seen all the characters, what problems they were going to face, we have seen that. So after that we will be seeing the question number 7, that is, so question number 7, it includes that what should the king have said to the thief. It was given that particularly thief came with his complaint and finally the question arrives, what should the king have said to the thief. What the king has said in the real, he has listened to his problem and he has exactly, he said that thing, that thief, he has said that because of some other person my friend died. So considering that king what is said, king ने क्या बोला है कि किस उस इंसान की वजह से तुम्हारा फ्रेंड मरा है तो उस इंसान को भी अपनी जान देना चाहिए, ये बोला है ना उसने. So that's why now exactly what the king should have said exactly. So write down in your notebooks. The question is present on page number 59. Question number 7. Write down directly the answer. Question number 7. The king should have said, the king should have said to the thief that it was the fault of him and his friend and not the merchant. It was not the merchant, as they had entered his house with the intention of stealing, when his family was away. So this is the answer for your question number 7. So instead of telling, that what exactly he wants to, means instead of telling that means because of whom your friend died, he should get what? He should get the punishment. ठीक है? He should get punishment. But instead of that, in actual phase, what he should say? He should say that the king should have said to the thief that it was the fault of him and his friend and not the merchant, as they had entered his house with the intention of stealing when his family was away. इस चीज की वजह से यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि किंग ने एग्जैक्टली ये रिप्लाई देना चाहिए था, किसको? थीफ को, क्योंकि कोई ऐसा चोर नहीं है जो खुद से आके बोलता कि हमने वहां पे जाके स्टीलिंग की, और स्टीलिंग मतलब चोरी करने वाले थे और उस दौरान मेरे फ्रेंड की डेथ हो गई, कोई ऐसा थीफ बोलता नहीं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द किंग इन रियलिटी व्हाट शुड बी सेड? इट शुड बी सेड. ठीक है? सो नाउ व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8? Question number 8. will a thief appear in the court on his own? Why does the thief dare to do so? Means that is only what I have said you, that the particularly there is no any thief that he comes by himself and he expresses that he is going to steal or he is going to do something wrong. That's why here, is he going to come by himself, and why does the thief dare to do so? उसमें ऐसा क्या, क्यों ऐसा करेगा वो, क्यों खुद से आकर बोलेगा कि मैंने ये प्रॉब्लम किया है? So that's why here we have to answer that what exactly he is saying. So question number 8. What will be your answer? Note down. A thief will never appear. What is the thing? Reality. In reality that we are now seeing. A thief will never appear. Will never appear in a court on his own. In a court on his own. This thief dares to do so, dares to do so because the king of his kingdom was the king of his kingdom was what he was? He was not powerful, not powerful, and the rules and regulations of his kingdom and the rules and regulations of his kingdom were not so strict, were not so strict. ठीक है? Why? क्यों? कोई चोर खुद से आकर बोलता नहीं, दिस एवरीवन नोस. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है हमको? यहाँ पे बताया है कि अगर ऐसा हुआ है, अगर उस किंग के अंदर डेयरिंग आई है खुद से जाके बोलने की कि मैं चोरी करने गया था. क्यों डेयरिंग आई है? द पॉइंट इज, क्योंकि जिस किंग के पास गया था और वो जो किंग है, वो किंग उस किंगडम में उतना पावरफुल नहीं था, राइट? और उसने जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाए थे उस किंग ने, वो स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो नहीं होते थे. दैट्स व्हाई he made the daring, he dared to go directly to the king and express or convey his pain of what? Of उसके फ्रेंड को खोने का उसने क्या किया है? पेन यहाँ पे बताया है. किसको? किंग को जाकर बताया. ठीक है? सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव कंप्लीटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 as well. Now let's see question number 9. It is some grammatical part. This part I have already explained you in the video of last chapter. ठीक है? Not in the poem of Please Listen. Before that I have already explained you in the chapter of Mark Twain. ठीक है? So here read the following sentences and find the subject and verb in each. ठीक है? What is the subject? I have already said you, subject यानी जो इंसान जो काम करता है, that is your subject. Verb means what? जो काम आप करते हो.